Happy Memorial Day. So it is actually a really nice day outside. I don't know if you can see. There we go. It's not that warm. It's probably 60 degrees. But we decided we're gonna go kayaking for the first time this year. So I have my kayaking shoes on. These are swanky. Ariel's got her life vest on. We gotta go get Henry's on. Yes, I know you're excited. Henry's got his on.
You know what he did? Old bastard didn't pull fucking pins back, so we cut him, and that's why
Oh. Well, that was wonderful for my video. Thank you. We ready to go kayaking? Yes, we are. Life jackets and oars in the Jeep. Hitch on. Do you need help, babe? No? I think I might need to buy Ariel a bigger life jacket. I didn't realize it when I purchased it, but it's different than Henry's. I meant to purchase the same one. Do you gotta go pee-pees before we go? You can't pee in the kayak, Missy Ann. Henry knows. You can't pee in the kayak. I think Henry's lost weight.
There we go.
His life jacket was tighter last year. Oh, you're such good babies. Ready to go kayaking? We ready to go? Are we ready to go kayaking? Yeah, Henry's so excited he's panting. Yeah, we're ready. Okay, let's go.